I'm Claudio Borean for Telecom Italia. I live in Italy, in Turin. It origins from the need that we have to try to make technology be more pervasive in the field and also make the users aware of how technology could be used for improving the energy usage.
My name is Francesca Mondello. I'm an electronic engineer living in Turin. At the end of the month, I see the energy bill, and so I call my children and I say, "So guys, be careful, please."
My name is Ivan Gorska. I'm 58 years old. I'm married. As now, we have no children at home, so there's only me and my wife in the house. Well, I'm interested in smart grids generally. I'm looking forward to Denmark becoming a full member of the smart grid movement in the world.
So, my name is Luca Pesando. I live in Bussoleno in a flat and I share it with my kids. I'm very interested as well in this kind of development. I believe that home automation can help a lot in reducing the power consumption in households.
My name is Birgitte Bak Jensen. I'm a professor at the Aalborg University. I live here at the countryside together with my family. I think it's a very interesting aspect to know about the consumption and which units contribute to the total consumption, and we have also power producing devices, how they contribute to minimize our total consumption.
My name is Mauro Tilocca. I live in the outskirts of Turin. I live in a penthouse. When we moved to this house, I had the right condition to install a solar cell system. I joined the project because I was interested, participating in this kind of experience, becoming more aware of the consumption of my house appliances, and as it was proposed to me, also being able with this solar system to monitor the system.
I'm Marco Polano. I live in Italy, here near Turin, in a countryside. We are four, my wife and two kids. I've always been energy aware, curious to understand where energy is going to be consumed in my house. Just for this purpose, I joined the INTrEPID project.
My name is Daniel Lux from the company Seluxit. I am project leader for the INTrEPID project from our company side. The solution we made for the Energy Saving Trust was included a sensor for the energy meter and a gateway, and the according solution for the internet in the cloud, a server which collects the data.
So the basic scope of the project was trying to create a technical solution for users in order to make people more aware of energy consumption. So the first phase was to create the technology infrastructure able to be installed at home from the users. And then we started the second phase, which was the start of the real pilot, where we provided people with the tools to monitor energy and make them aware of what kind of consumption they had at home, what kind of features could really engage people and make them change behavior. That was a critical part, because you might have a great technology perfectly working but nobody using it. So it's better to have something maybe with reduced features, but really relevant for people. And such a gamification provided this.
The gamification is moving, as the Americans say, to the next level. What the system does is look at the usage patterns and provide suggestions to see if there is a way to shift the behavior, and so the overall consumption of this group of users, which is named as a district, a power district, just like in the real power utility networks, so that the shift in behaviors can correspond to a larger effect.
The main argument is really the desire to reduce energy consumption, to let's say the ethical side.
If you want to improve something, you have to measure it first.